Hello, and welcome back to the Tracklinq BAS how-to video series. In these videos, we'll be demonstrating how to use various features of Tracklinq BAS. Today, we'll be focusing on a feature of the dispatch panel, timestamps and work done. Timestamps and work done within Tracklinq BAS are very important for tracking your employees' travel times, their times on site, the labor codes that go with them for how much you would end up billing a customer, or putting a no charge timestamp in there of when you're giving away services without any charge. But they're an integral feature for maintaining your customer or your employees' times on site. You could almost go as far as using them for a time card for when they get to work and what they do all day long. It's open-ended, so you can use them in any shape or way you want to. You simply come into the dispatch board and you pick your company which this timestamp will be linked to, and come up to the timestamp work done button, click it. The travel or the timestamp types that are listed here are user definable, client definable within the system settings feature. You can add as many as you'd like. You can make them finite. You can change them. You can edit them and make them fit your company needs within what you would like to see on them. So these are just some basic ones where we're going to set up a timestamp for traveling on site. Start date and stop date are both pre-filled for today's date. You can obviously go in there and change those dates to yesterday or day before, what have you. But we're just going to do a simple timestamp showing that our engineer went out there. It took 20 minutes to get there. Who submitted the record? Who was the work done by? We're going to give this one to Matt, and we're going to say that he was an engineering labor code. So we know now that labor code 201 is based on his rates. And simply type in travel to site and click save timestamp, and there you can see his timestamp's been saved within the timestamps work done panel. Also, you can add his time that he was out there on site, and since he's an engineer, we're going to put that down as on site time and put in his 8:20, and let's say he was there for an hour. Go from 8:20 to 9:20. Submitted as Matt again, and then his engineering time on site. And from here, we're going to put down that he needs to order parts. And we'll save that timestamp there. And now you can see we have a second timestamp in there. Also, a feature of our timestamps is if a timestamp is incorrect, and oh, you know what, I gave you the wrong times when I was out there, you can select that timestamp, come in here and say I was actually out there for 2 hours, change his time to 10:20 that he was on site, update it, and now our timestamp's been updated to 2 hour time period instead of just 1 hour. If you put in a timestamp where, oh, I'm not going to charge him for the travel to this particular location, you can simply click on the delete button, and it's going to ask you to confirm that that timestamp, that is the actual ID number of the timestamp, is going to be canceled. And you can say confirm, and then it'll go away, and you no longer have a timestamp listed for that location. And that's it for saving timestamps. Fast, easy, but very important when it comes to keeping your billable hours correct and billing your customer properly. You can find out more information at www.tracklinksoftware.com with a Q. And be sure to check out our live demo by clicking on the live demo link. That's the database you're looking at over here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our YouTube channel often for more how-to videos and overviews. And you can find us at Facebook at tracklinkbas.com. Thank you.